Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to make account deposits on Melbet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Melbet app and make sure you are logged into it. Now simply click on this history option over here in the bottom and click on deposit. Now we need to choose the payment method. So here it is. Let's go for sale pay. And we need to choose the amount to be deposited, and the minimum amount is 1000 and maximum is 25,000 here. Now we need to enter our account number and enter the account holder name. After that, we need to upload the file of the deposit and we need to enter the 7-digit transaction ID here. Once all of the information is done, simply click on confirm to complete account deposit. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.